Hi there. Asa kalaman nagsiya buyo mo dyan nito mo. Dini yung chapter 2. Polynomials in one variable. Because hauragan. Boro ni be ko bang bidap. Iba bidang kabaw. Kabang bidap per dong aray. Because in details hauragan. We have part 1 video. Nagkani some theories. Only theories per to yung madangis hauragan. Mutinane lane madang di a half-yearly exam of chapter 25 15 marks the question पे it's a big marks, huge marks, 15 marks. Okay, when you try annual exam of 10 marks में question बन गया. इनके पे chapter लो मजिन चलन करते मुझे चलन करते. dengan chapter ini video को start कलंगन what is polynomials. Beijing start कलंगन बिना उनके Beijing गोबां terminologies दङ जेरैहाय constants, coefficients, degrees, exponent, binomials, trinomials गोबां दंथारो. बिसोरखौबो जोङो मोनसेनि उनाव मोनसे सोलोंलांगोन. Alright, let us get going. Alright, first thing first, definition ko nagrani. What is a polynomial expression? Bang bidaba makubunga. Bang bidab eba gabang bidab boroni. Polynomial ma bile. What is that expression? Biko nagrani. Okay. Algebraic expressions with whole number exponent are called polynomials. Okay. This is the main thing. Whole number exponent. Mani power. Manse algebraic expression ni power jadi whole number jaje bubla. Bekono jeng mabunga polynomials hannani bunga. Ya polynomial expression. For example, ni bonai deni x to the power 2 plus 3 into x plus 4. Mini exponent ko naget beo jang amadungo 2 dong right? Bao lại. Bao jang 1 dong right? Bao lại. Bao dong de. Bao dong ni. Thakamadeng. Okay? Bao này the exponents fra baby whole number, baby whole number, baby whole number. Now what is a whole number? Abung onjima kobung. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, 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 infinity. Kumane natural numbers, right? Meeting out bini now 0 dade pane jai whole number, right? All these are called whole number. 0, 1, ni pray lajan nane 0, 1, 2 ni pray infinity. Ikone bunga whole number. Nangkane exponent eba power whole number janu jere hebe onidi x to the power 2 plus 3x to the power 1 plus 4x to the power 0. That's the whole number. Power that's the 0. Whole number. Exponent. Bawoni 5. 5 is whole number. 1 whole number. Bawojang 0 dongo. Bebo whole number. Nangkane bisirko na polynomials. Kasolaksi. Nei bebo polynomial. Just single expression of a polynomial. Eba x to the power 4 people say polynomial even 20 minus 7 minus 8 kasibu people kasibu polynomials take a solaksi. Okay, then una mo yang discuss kalangon this is very interesting. Okay, now you have understood right mako polynomial nge polynomial anjay by power exponent fra whole number janogo hamone biko polynomial expression hannani bunga. Okay, remember this. All right. Next ni makase question berpe exam of again 1 mark ni identify whether it is a polynomial expression or not. Polynomial long na no ko identify kalam no exam of again. This is related to this exponent and the whole number. Three things. Polynomial we have relation to whole number plus exponent a whole number janako. Be mentam words tungo ha kasolaki polynomial plus whole number plus exponent mane tingno humnagan what is a polynomial. whole number नङाबा जाहाथे जेरैहाय बे जानो हाया ओके बिसोर polynomial नङा ओके x to the power minus 1 x to the power minus 3 root x then x to the power 1 by 1 by 2 बिसोर polynomial नङा दे गोसोआव लाखि alright next जोंहा मा दङ ओके बेयाव गोबां terminologies दङ keywords terminologies variables माखौ बुङो जों मिथिखागौ constants एबा coefficients माखौ होनो बेखौबो जों आगोलाव सोलोंबोखादों बेनि उनाव दङ terms and degree बेखौबो जों बे मोनथामखौ जों रिभिजन खालामगोन दा ओके termsखौ मिथिगौ जोङो degree मिथिखागौ नाथाय नैबेखौ मिथिया fourth constant zero polynomials बेखौ सोलोंगोन बे 1 मार्कनि फैयो whether it is a zero polynomials या constant polynomials माखौ होनो बेखौ फैगोन 1 मार्कनि फैयो what is monomial बेखौबो जों आइडेन्टिफाइ खालामनो सोलोंगोन binomials माखौ बुङो trinomials माखौ बुङो बेनिफ्राय linear polynomials बेखौबो जों सावरायगोन quadratic then cubic बिसोरबो गासैखौबो जों सोलोंगोन ओके 1 by 1 ओके नेक्स्टआव जोंहा मा दङ alright जोङो बेखौ आगोलाव सोलोङो what is variable constantsखौबो मिथिगौ जोङो what are constants and coefficients termsखौबो जों मिथिगौ होमबाबो एसे खोन्थाबावनोसै ओके बावनाय दोनै सासे मानसियानि daily income हमनानै लादो 1000 rupees बियो daily खामायो सानसेयाव मोनसे 1000 खामायो सानसेयाव 1000 बेनो जाबाय daily income होमबा सानबायाव बेसेबां खामायगोन सानसेयाव बेसेबां ओमफ्राय number of days 5 बे जागोन 5000 राइट बेनिफ्राय 10 daysआव बेसेबां खामायगोन this again 10 this okay बावनाय दोनै नैबे daily income बे सोलायाखैना 1000 this is like a constant this is basically a constant no change right daily income sorry with daily income 1000 number of days are changing right 1 5 10 नंखायनो नैबे जो column daily income constant change जायाना it's a constant बेनिफ्राय days आ नै सोलायगोन day 1 only 1 day 5 days 10 days बे सोलायबाय थानो हागोन आरो बेखौनो होनो जोङो variable this is changing नोङो सासे मानसिया 10 days मावोबा बेसेबां मोनगोन 20 days मावोबा बेसेबां मोनगोन ओके बे जाबाय variable नैबे जाहैबाय expression बे जाबाय output बे मोननै हा रिलेसन दङ बेनि आउटपुटआ नै this multiply this you'll get this right बे जाबाय आउटपुट x ओंखायनो बे मोननैया जे रिलेसन दङ बेखौ जों एक्सप्रेसनाव लिरनो हायो मारै 100,000 into 1 equal to 1000 right 1000 into 5 equal to 5000 right थिग बिदिनो 1000 into 10 equal to 10,000 ओंखायनो बेखौ जोङो variable constant जाबाय बे into नैबे changing ना बेखौ जोङो d लानि या x लानि x okay this becomes an expression so 1000 x is an expression बेवहाय x is a variable and 1000 is a constant okay ओंखायनो बियो मोनसे expression जादों this is an expression algebraic expression okay because now we have understood what is a variable what is a constant right आरो मोनसे example होबावनि दे one more example I'll give you okay बावदोनि मोनसे गारिनि स्पिड दं आरो hourly speed is about 60 kilometer per hour. Means our hourly speed. A constant speed is constant. Okay, hours are change. 1 hour bisang kargen, 5 hours bisang kargen, 10 hours bisang kargen. Maybe we need expression in values. Okay. Well, this is again a variable. This is again a constant. So what is the expression? Expression is 60 into x, where x is basically hours and 60 is a constant, which is basically speed per hour. Okay, so this is an expression, algebraic expression. Okay, now what is term? Term sama ko na. Genova bikulir bayang 3x plus 40. Piko na munche term, nebi munche term, be munche term. Be munche bitap. Menpa bitap. Bai munche term no, mentam bitap to. Terms. Bang bitap na, mentam bitap to. Okay. What about this? Be just munche bitap. What about this? Be munche bitap. Okay. Next question pe one mark ni. How many terms are there in this expression? Every question begin. So lucky. Ma bisang term dong. Iku sing nani pi. Okay. Okay. Now one more example. Babung dengar 60 into x is an expression. It's a polynomial expression. The polynomial expression ko dengar aribadi jinchi ni higher p into x lere. P into x equal to this expression. P bracket x equal to 60 into x. X is this variable x. Maybe the constant. P expression ko jeng P bibajilin nahi. Suppose if x equal to 10, hamba B bisang jangan. Because yung mari lihat P bracket 10 into equal to 60 into 10. Okay, replace kalam. Okay, we get 600. Bibadi expression nahi. Okay. Pilo no by this jing lere q lere qx lere no rx lere bibadi lere equal to 60x equal to again 60x where x is a variable. Okay, bibadi jinchini hygiene polynomial ko. Maybe exam of again question p. Find out the value of ex p3. Find out p3 money 60 into this 3 multiply kalam tende 180. Okay. Every question P. All right. So we understood what is a variable, what is a constant or coefficient of a bunga. Okay. Because on constant of a coefficient we go on. Okay. Constant coefficient we go on. All right. Now let's go to the next. Okay. Constant about zero polynomials. Maybe constant by constant ko nagite coefficient ko nagite. Biasa constant polynomials nito zero polynomials ako mako. Jeng menchiko polynomials sa power thai right? Whole number thai bo. You have to have whole numbers. Okay, whole number हमारी start रही 0 से 0 1 2 then we have infinity. Then kaine what is x? अगर हम 0 ले रहे हो x to the power 0 equal to 1 right? We know that. Okay, now what is 4? 4 multiplied by 1 equal to 4 right? Now 1 is I go angrilin haina. Correct? This again will give you 4. Correct? Ning kaine navy expression 4x0 5x to the power 0 become again 0 polynomials. No constant polynomials. Manana ni variable ni power 0. So this is equal to 4. This is equal to 5. So anything minus 5 we were constant about 0 polynomials. Okay, we're going to constant about 0 polynomials. Okay, all right. Now, what is polynomials? That is with one term. Mencelo term tangan jadi hai 4 eba x2 eba just x eba minus 7x. Okay, mencelo term tangan mencini bara term mana. Okay. Take away then in binomial, so you'll have two terms like x to the power 4 plus 2 eba x to the power 4 plus 2x. Okay, many term 1, term 2, term 1, term 2, because of binomials. Trinomials are within a three terms tanago. X to the power 4 plus x to the power 2 plus 3 about x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x. One term tanago 1, 2, 3 term. 4 eba bejala. This is not trinomials. Trinomials are one term nago. 1, 2, 3. Okay, easy. All right, let us move on. All right, linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, we have cubic polynomials. Degree 1 janagonde, degree 2 janago, degree 3. Okay, degree money means expression of x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus x plus 4. Jaiba jaha mandri terms do. This is okay. Because degree of a polynomials ko mari dihunnago, the highest degree is called highest exponent is called degree of that polynomials. Meaning highest about 3 na. So this is 3 means the 5 plus 4 plus x. Meaning highest be. Okay. Highest ko lanango. Now what is linear polynomials? So degree is 1. So x plus 2 eba 4 then is I by linear polynomials. Degree is 1. Mana degree mention 1 low. Highest degree of 1. Okay, take within it. X square plus x plus 40. Like highest than even 2. Is by quadratic polynomials. Okay. Cubic x to the power 3 jana go, huh? X to the power 2 plus 2x plus 100. Okay. Highest by 3. Then can you go? Cubic polynomials in it. They one mark ni question for identify. Okay. Identify column ni question 1. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay. Next so jeng question kalang some exercise kalang jeng next so. The exercise ko kalam ni. Okay. We'll work on some exercise. All right. Okay, let us walk through the book. Bijab ni saya fat nai lang ni. Bang bidap heba bidap gawang polynomials. Sinaiti hanai. Okay. There is a theorem. Polynomials in one variable. Muncul variable. Okay. Yung michika what is constant and variable. Snake habay jing michiko. Coefficients, terms, ko silang kabay. When you try constant polynomials, zero polynomials, silang bay jing when you try mama dung mau. Oh, nebi ko expression ko silang bay na jing p bracket x q nege s u b by this as you wanna. When you try mono means one. Ko silang go bino means two. Bi means two. Then trinomials because silang yung kabay jing okay, degree of polynomials because silang by kaya wanai menprumba bang bidap rasi puni degree ko dihun means pina x to the power 5 bin highest na bin jangan 5 jadi 5 thakam mana 5 pinale 1 2 3 8 bejagan 8 okay belai 0 Okay, 0 ina. All right. Linear polynomials degree is 1. Okay, because in selling the by then quadratic because selling by cubic because we go jing prima way. 0 polynomial. Okay. Because all right. 72.1 because column ni. Beneficiary question number 1. गाहायनि राशिफोरनि बबेया मोनसे सोलायस्लु one variable थानाय बांबिता asking for one variable. Remember this, one variable. Variable मोनसेल' थानांगोन सोलायस्लुआ. One variable सोलायस्लु मोनसे सोलायस्लु थानाय बांबिता आरो बबेया नङा. बांबिता जानांगौ ओमफ्राय मोनसेल' जानांगौ. बेनिफ्राय आनसार नोंनि फिननायनि थाखाय जाहोनफोरखौ फोरमाय. Yes. आगोलाव नायगोन जोङो whether this is बांबिता polynomial नंना नङा बेखौ नायग्रो. बेयो मा? Is it a polynomial? Yes. होमबा बेयाव मोनसे सोलायस्लु दङ. This is only one. It is a polynomial. बेनिफ्राय मोनसे only one variable. X ल' दंना? So one variable. Correct. This is one variable and polynomial. बेलाय. This is again one variable and it is polynomial. मानोना 2, which is a whole number. Okay. So this is polynomial and one variable. बेलाय. बेयो polynomial नङा. मानोना बेनि exponentआ whole number नङा दे. So this is not a polynomial. This is polynomial. नैबेबो polynomial. बे one variable. बेलाय. बेयो polynomial नङा. मानो नैबेहा पावारआ whole number नङा. Okay. So this is not a polynomial. बेलाय. बेयो polynomial. 10 दङ, 3 दङ, 50 दङ. How many variables? There are 3 variables. बेयो मोनसे polynomial plus 3 variables. मोनथाम सोलायस्लु दङ. मोनसेल' नङा दे, मोनथाम दङ. Okay? So this is the answer. Easy. Alright. गाहायनि मोनफ्रोमबो number 2. गाहायनि मोनफ्रोमबोआव x to the power 2 नि थाफादेरफोरखौ लिर. Coefficient constant को लिरनो थिनदों. x to the power नि बेयाव जाबाय 1. Easy. बावलाय. बेयाव -1. -1 दं दे गोसोआव ला. This is not 1. This is -1. This is -1. Okay? बेयावलाय. बेयाव नै pi divided by 2. Okay? बेनालाय. बेना √2. Square root of 2. Okay? बेनालाय. बेनि थाफादेरनाया बेसे? सानबासो मिथिगोन हो. बेयो ओरैनो नायबा 1 नुगोन हो. खिन्थु बेखौ सानथारबा मा मोनगोन? बेखौ माल्टिप्लाइ खालामबा दस्रा मोनगोन हो. बेखौ सानथारनांगौ. बेखौ फुल सानफिनबा बेसेबां मोनगोन बावलाय? Okay, let us do this. सानफिनोब्ला बेसेबां मोनगोन बावलाय? बेखौ सानजाबथारनांगोन दे. सानजाबगोन जोङो. Okay, let us multiply. बेयो मा? 2x, right? 2x minus 3 bracket x square minus 3x. बेखौ simplify खालामथार. होमबासो x square नि coefficientखौ मोनगोन. नङाबा मोननाय नङा. बेखौ बिदिनो सानजाबहरबाय. 2x multiplied by x square minus 3x plus 1, right? ओमफ्राय जोंहा minus दं नै. -3 bracket x square minus 3x plus 1. सानथारदो. 2 x to the power 3 जागोन ना. minus 2 into 3 is 6. x square plus 2x. Dan ini bawa minus dong deh. Minus 3x square minus plus 9x minus plus minus 3 मा बेसेबां जाखो 2x to the power 3 मोनसेल' दङ 2x to the power 3 बेलाय 6x square minus 3x square होमबा 9x square okay plus 2 plus 9 11x minus 3 होमबा x square ni coefficient बेसे this is actually minus 9 x square ni coefficient minus 9 नैबाव बेयो जाहैबाय minus 9 okay minus 9 is the answer बेखौ simplify खालामथारबासो मोनगोन दे नङाबा मोना okay that is the catch बे मोनसे गुदुं गिदिं गिदा सिदा नङा दे okay so let's see number 3 खौ नायनि दाना डिग्री 35 नि मोनसे नै बिदाब आरो डिग्री 100 नि मोनसे बिदाब से मोनफ्रोमबोनि मोनसेयै बिदिन्थि हो एग्जांपल होनो डिग्री 35 नि मोनसे नै बिदाब 2 terms ओमफ्राय डिग्रीनि मोनसे बिदाब से only one term इदि x to the power 35 लिरदो प्लास जेबोखि लिरा नों बाव जेबो लिरनो हायो मोननै बिदाब नै बिदाबसो लिरदों नै बिदाब पावारा जानांगोन 35 ओके मेक्सिमाम बेना मा होनदों only बिदाबसेल' होमबा x to the power 100 लिरदो जोब्बाय ओके that is the answer गाहायाव होनाय बां बिदाबफोरनि मोनफ्रोमबोनि डिग्रीखौ लिर what is the degree of this highest नम्बरखौ दिहुन highest नम्बरखौ नागिर नैबे 3 बेनो highest ना ओंखायनो बिनि डिग्रीया जागोन 3 ओके बेनालाय highest आलाय 2 is the degree बेनालाय नैबेना 1 बेनालाय 0 ओके दानिया fifth last item गाहायाव होनायखौ हांखोआरि जौगानाय आरो घनक बां बिदाब हिसाबै थाखो रान क्लासिफिकेशन खालामदों माबायाव मोनसेया जाबाय linear polynomial linear डिग्रीया linear ना 1 ना 1 डिग्री बेनिफ्राय जोंहा दङ quadratic QUADRATIC बिनि डिग्रीया बेसे 2 ओके ओमफ्राय मोनसे दङ cubic बे मोनथामाव क्लासिफिकेशन खालामदों cubic नि डिग्रीया 3 राइट लिनियाराव जोंहा 1 डिग्री polynomial बेनिफ्राय quadraticआ जाहैबाय 2 degree polynomial the cubic is a 3 degree polynomial classify खालामदों बेयो मा बे बेसेबां डिग्री 2 degree ना this is the highest so मा जागोन बियो quadratic so I'll write here just q this is quadratic बेलेग बेनि highest degree मा 3 ना 3 बा मा जागोन cubic so I'm writing c बेलेग बेनि highest degree जाबाय 2 बा मा जायो quadratic this is again q बेलेग highest degree 1 means linear I'll write l okay बेवलाय बेबो मोनसे highest degree 1 so this is again l बे जाबाय 2 आ जादों quadratic q बे जाबाय 3 मतलब cubic c बेनि जाबाय classification easy one mark ni question फैयो एग्जाम just identify खालामनो quick 1 mark 1 mark ni question फैयो all right we are done with this exercise खालामजोबबाय जोङो दानिया next video जोङो बेनिफ्राय start खालामगोन we'll start from here next video खौबो थाबै लाबोगोन गोख्रैनो लाबोगोन जों all right we'll start from this 2.3 next video all right दिनैनि भिडिअखौ एसेयावनो फोजोबनाय जाबाय भिडिअखौ मोजां मोनदोंबा लाइक बाटनखौ थुनानै होदो। I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.